Hi everyone, it's Alisha from Wade Public Library, and today I'm bringing you a fun science, technology, engineering, art, and math, or otherwise known as STEAM activity. We're going to make gumdrop bridges. Now before we make our bridge, I'm going to read you a book. It's called The Gingerbread Boy. Have you ever read this story before? Have you ever read any version of the Gingerbread Man? All right, let's listen. There was a woman and a man who had no children. One day, the woman took flour, eggs, butter, brown sugar, molasses, ginger, cinnamon, salt, a pinch of black pepper, and made some dough. She rolled it flat and cut out the shape of a little boy. Then with candy, nuts, and icing, she made his face and clothes. "There you are," she said, "my gingerbread boy." And she put him in the oven to bake. He baked up nice and brown, but so hot that he shot right out of the oven, across the room, and through the open window. The woman and the man cried, "Gingerbread boy, please stop." But the gingerbread boy only laughed and said, "Run, run, run, as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man." And off he ran. Until he met a rat. "You smell good," said the rat. "I'm going to eat you." But the gingerbread boy only laughed and said, "Run, run, run, as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man." And off he ran. Until he met some construction workers. "Hey you, gingerbread boy," they shouted. "You're just a snack for our coffee break." But the gingerbread boy only laughed and said, "Run, run, run, as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man." And off he ran. Until he met some musicians. "Yummy, yummy, yummy," they sang. But the gingerbread boy only laughed and said, "Run, run, run, as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man." And off he ran. Until he met a policeman on a horse. "Stop! Stop in the name of the law," the policeman called. "We're hungry." But the gingerbread man only laughed and said, "Run, run, run, as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man." And off he ran. Until he met a fox. By now, the gingerbread boy was feeling pretty proud of himself. "I've run away from the woman and the man, the rat, the construction workers, the musicians, and the policeman on a horse. And I can run away from you too," he bragged. "Run, run, run." "No, no, no," the fox interrupted. "I don't want to eat you. But there's a big lake up ahead, and that crowd you're running from is catching up." "Oh, what shall I do?" asked the gingerbread boy. "Hop on my tail and I'll carry you across," said the fox. So the gingerbread boy hopped on to the fox's tail. Then the fox said, "It'll be easier to hold on if you climb onto my shoulders." So the gingerbread boy climbed onto the fox's shoulder. "This lake is deeper than I thought," said the fox. "And if you get wet, you'll crumble away to nothing. Why don't you crawl out onto my nose?" So the gingerbread boy crawled out onto the fox's nose. "Ha ha!" laughed the gingerbread boy. They'll never get me now. You're right, said the fox as she flipped him into the air, and she opened her mouth. And the gingerbread boy was all gone. The end. I hope you enjoyed that story. I think it's such a shame that the gingerbread boy wasn't able to get across that lake on his own. So, what we're going to do is we're going to make a gumdrop bridge to help him get across. Let's get started. In your package, you will receive some toothpicks and some gummy dots. For mine, I took a toothpick and put it in the side of one dot and another. I put more toothpicks into my dots and made a square. Then you can take a toothpick and put it through the tops. And put one more top like that. And I made another one on the other side. And I'm going to connect those two with another toothpick. So that should be a nice, stable structure. Keep adding to it, making more squares and triangles. And you'll get this nice long bridge. Well, I hope that you're able to make a bridge. Maybe you'll decide to eat some of the gummy dots, ones that you don't use, or you'll use them all. Up to you. All right, so once again, the dots and the toothpicks will be at the library in December and January. So please come in. I hope you try it, and till next time, bye.